In this video, I'll detail how to save contact on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to save a contact on your Apple Watch to save it directly on your iPhone, then you can easily do this. So if I know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Before you can save contact on your Apple Watch, you need to make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are connected together and you sign into the same Apple ID account. So that when you save the contact to your Apple Watch, you should be able to access the contact on your iPhone via the same iCloud account. So you'll be able to access the contact on your iPhone via the same iCloud account. As you can see, I have the same iCloud account as my iPhone and my Apple Watch. So saving contact on my Apple Watch will show the contact on my iPhone. Now, if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first one to do here, to save contact on Apple Watch, you just press the two crown once. Then click on the dialer app. That's the phone dialer app. Click on it. Then once you click on it, you'll be taken to the contact page. On the contact page, you have access to the favorite, recent, contact, and voicemail. However, to save contact on Apple Watch or on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is locate contacts and click on that. Now, once you click on contact, you see the list of all the contacts you have on your iPhone pops on your Apple Watch. Now, come here and click on this plus icon. Then once you click on that, you should see where to save the contact. Then go ahead and type in the new contact name. Then once you type the name, click on done. Now once you click on that, you can just scroll down to add the phone number, email, and address. Now to add the phone number, just click on phone. Here you need to select phone and then type in the number. So after that, click on the OK button. Then see the phone number here. Then you can also change from home here to maybe work phone number, school, iPhone, Apple Watch, mobile, main, home, fax, work, and pager, or others. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on this check button at the top right. Then you should see the contact saved on your iPhone. So this is the contact. You see that? So that is how you can easily save phone number on Apple Watch. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.